Neem, Azadirachta indica, is an evergreen tree native to the Indian subcontinent, belonging to the Meliaceae family. It is widely cultivated in tropical and subtropical regions for its medicinal, agricultural, and cosmetic uses. Neem trees can grow up to 15 to 20 meters, 49 to 65 feet, tall, with wide-spreading branches and dark green, pinnately compound leaves. The tree produces small, white, fragrant flowers and olive-like fruits. The use of neem for medicinal purposes dates back over 5,000 years to ancient India, where it was an essential component of Ayurvedic medicine. Neem has been traditionally used to treat a wide range of ailments, including skin disorders, digestive issues, and infections. Its various parts, including the leaves, bark, seeds, and oil, contain numerous bioactive compounds, such as azadirachtin, nimbin, and nimbolide, which contribute to its therapeutic properties. Here are 30 potential medical benefits of neem. Antiviral. Neem contains compounds with antiviral properties that may help protect against viral infections. Antibacterial. Neem has antibacterial properties that can help protect against bacterial infections and prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. Antifungal. The tree contains compounds with antifungal properties, which can help protect against fungal infections, such as athlete's foot and candida. Antiparasitic. Neem has antiparasitic properties that can help eliminate internal parasites, such as intestinal worms. Anti-inflammatory. Neem contains various compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Antioxidant. The tree is rich in antioxidants that can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Skin health. Neem's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help improve skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Wound healing. Neem oil or paste can promote wound healing and prevent infection due to its antimicrobial properties. Oral health. Chewing neem sticks or using neem-based toothpaste can help prevent plaque buildup and maintain gum health due to its antibacterial properties. Insect repellent. Neem oil can be used as a natural insect repellent to ward off mosquitoes and other pests. Pain relief. Neem has analgesic properties that can help relieve pain from headaches, toothaches, and other minor aches. Fever reduction. Neem has been traditionally used to reduce fever due to its antipyretic properties. Respiratory health. The tree's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions, like asthma and bronchitis. Digestive health. Neem can help treat digestive issues like ulcers, gastritis, and constipation due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Blood sugar regulation. Neem may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing glucose absorption. Liver protection. Neem has hepatoprotective properties that can help protect the liver from damage and improve liver function. Kidney health. The tree's diuretic properties can help promote kidney health by increasing urine production and flushing out toxins. Immune system support. Neem's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help support the immune system. Cardiovascular health. Neem may help improve cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and regulating blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that neem may have anti-cancer properties, but more research is needed. Arthritis relief. Neem's anti-inflammatory properties may help alleviate joint pain and inflammation associated with arthritis. Eye health. Neem's antibacterial properties can help prevent eye infections, and its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness and irritation. Hair health. Neem oil can help promote hair growth, reduce dandruff, and prevent scalp infections due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Insecticide. Neem oil can be used as a natural insecticide for controlling pests in gardens and agricultural fields. Birth control. Neem oil has been used as a natural contraceptive, as it may have spermicidal effects, but more research is needed to confirm its efficacy and safety. Anti-allergic. Neem's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce allergic reactions and symptoms, Stress relief. Neem has adaptogenic properties that may help the body cope with stress and reduce anxiety. Sleep aid. Neem's mild sedative effects may help promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Antispasmodic. Neem may help relieve muscle spasms and cramps due to its antispasmodic properties. Detoxification. Neem's antioxidant and diuretic properties can help support the body's natural detoxification processes.